Alright, and welcome back, folks. We are joined by Doug here. He's going to show you how to properly fillet a big Lake Erie walleye.
First thing is bleed it out in your live well while you're out on the lake. Gets all the blood out of the fillets and makes them a lot nicer. Cut here, an angle up against the head. Follow the backbone, cut through the ribs. Get down to the butthole, pop it through. All the way down, turn inside out. Bam, just like that. Take this, line it up with them rib bones, turn it and cup it, get all them rib bones out. Voila. This is where it's important to push down against the flat surface. Fillet comes right up. Voila.
Oh yeah.
And to finalize it, when we do with the bigger ones, you strip out that mud line. Call it zippering. Just take that fillet, pull it down, take that mud line, away you go. There's your meat. And we like to chunk it up into 3 nice bite-sized pieces, all ready for the deep fryer. That's it. Alright, we'll do the cheeks. Deep fry these up with a little Frank's Red Hot, some Cajun seasoning, and they're absolutely amazing.
Killer. Boom.
And for a little barbecue snack, you can always do have some walleye wings. Here's a walleye wing. Look at all that meat. Tasty stuff there.
None of it goes to waste.
Just the tail.
Yummy.